Hi, I'm Jacqueline S. Ibanez and I'm going to report relative activity of some metals. The activity series of the some metals is an invaluable aid to predicting the products of replacement reactions. It also can be used as an acid in predicting products of some other reactions. In the first 5 elements in the standard reduction potential, which is lithium and 2 sodium, are known as very active metals and they react with cold water to produce dihydroxide and hydrogen gas. The next 4 metals, which is magnesium to chromium, are considered active metals and they will react with very hot water or steam to form the oxide and hydrogen gas. The oxides of all these first metals resist the reduction by hydrogen gas. The next 6 metals, which is iron to lead, replace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric and nitric acids. Their oxides undergo reduction by heating with hydrogen gas, carbon monoxide. The metals lithium to copper can combine directly with oxygen to form oxide. The last 5 metals, which is mercury to gold, are often found free in nature. Their oxides decompose with mild heating and they form oxides only indirectly.